sort of building, you know. But your chimney out back to the left. Well, we were going to check this one out. It's the same exact construction, same exact design. Nevada is a state full of adventures, and this one didn't let me down either. Hidden deep in the Nevada high desert, right near Tonopah, just over a mountain range from the infamous Area 51, lies one of the last remnants of a once bustling World War II air base, the Southernmost Hangar at the abandoned Tonopah Army Airfield. During the height of its operations, this airfield was a key site for training U.S. bomber crews. But this particular hangar, the Southernmost, had a very specific, top-secret role, one that was critical to development of new military technologies, not only during World War II, but beyond. Constructed in the early 1940s as part of America's rapid military expansion, the Southernmost Hangar was primarily used to fit bombers with the then top-secret glide bombs, or glider bombs. These bombs, an early form of precision-guided munitions, were revolutionary at the time. Training crews to operate these new weapons was vital, and this hangar became a focal point for that mission. Bomber aircraft such as the B-24 Liberator and the B-17 Flying Fortress were fitted with glide bombs, and pilots were trained on how to deploy them with accuracy, actually aided with people back at base via a TV screen, which was quite revolutionary at the time. The glide bomb technology was designed to improve the range and precision of bombing raids, a crucial advantage in the evolving air strategies of World War II.
A big building on the left side of the road that was, and as I got nearer, it looked to me like it was maybe a big school building or something, so I had enough time to get off of it and brought the bomb over, and the only other thing in sight as the target was this big tree, like a big oak tree. And that's why I said, all right, fellas, just to show you I can hit something, or that tree.
This hangar was where engineers and ground crews would install, test, and fine-tune the bombs, ensuring they were ready for combat missions. The secrecy of this work was paramount, and the desert's isolation provided the perfect cover for these top-secret operations. By the end of World War II in 1945, the need for large-scale bomber training and advanced bomb testing diminished. In 1946, Tonopah Army Airfield was officially decommissioned, pretty much right after the war ended, and the hangar, along with the rest of the airfield, was abandoned. For decades, this hangar stood silently in the desert, exposed to the elements. Here you see some demolishing in 1949. Today, the Southernmost Hangar is a shadow of its former self. Once a hub of innovation and strategic importance, it now stands in disrepair. The harsh Nevada weather has taken its toll with the cracked walls, a sagging roof with sunlight peering through all over, and much of its internal structure gutted by time. Despite this, the hangar remains a powerful symbol of the efforts made here during World War II, efforts that helped shape the future of military aviation. I should also note, many a man lost their lives here at what was called the Jinxed Base. Over 100 pilots and crew died just on so-called training missions, all in the effort to help in the World War II. While the days of top-secret operations and bomber training are long gone, the legacy of this hangar lives on through the remnants of the airfield and the stories passed down from those who served here. It's a piece of forgotten history. For instance, Chuck Yeager served here for a few months. We drove out to this location to capture the state of the Southernmost Hangar in 2024. It was September. Let's take a closer look at how time has treated this once vital structure. We've been finding an old filing cabinet from 1942 with an old printed card with the text and date penciled in of March 29, 1942. Keep in mind, this area should not be visited without permission, and it's a dangerous area in and of itself, so it's best to stay out. Hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below what you think. Well, this is the third one we've seen here. This one is very much intact. So we'll go in and check it out. Looks like they kept this one in operation a lot longer. Well, that was one big hawk that just flew out of here. Huge old hawk. I mean, look at this, the old, you know, padding for the closing up. There goes another bird. Building kind of creaks. Well, this one is a bit different. Same chimney, but nothing in that corner and nothing in that corner. But same design. Same rooms over there. Like filing cabinet, you know, ancient. Oh wow, I found an old piece of administration.
Oh really? Like it meant what?
I don't know. I don't have my glasses with me.
Holy shit. Legs, pulls, drawers. Lock, lazy Susan legs. This is the Specu shares.
Yeah, it was on the side here. Maybe it was something.
Vertical dividers. Yeah, this is just something that they put together, right? You know, they probably had a whole. Yeah, well, we're exploring these hangars out here by Area 51. It's actually on the other side of Tonopah, and yeah, you know, it's just old school. I was out here before, like a long time ago, and you know, I thought, yeah, David, let's just take a little detour and you know check this out. And so here we are.
Oh, total elements. Yes,
Yeah, that is. Yeah, for sure.
Lizards.
Yeah, that's gases, yeah. But yeah, we are. Mm-hmm.
That's fun.
Yeah.
Okay, well, you know, let's go back to just a real quick thought. I mean, do you want to give any summary report on the week?
Yeah, I can do that, and I want to. I'm just a little bit low on battery right now. You know, and, but you know, yeah, I'd love to do. Exactly, yeah. And so, you know, I just went all over my head, and you know, and I.
Look at that old. My goodness.
Like your thinking is sort of my thinking here, and you know I thank you for that because I mean honestly
Turned it over.
turned it over, yeah.
So it was that kind of green. Look at that.
Yeah, that's the green.
That is something.
Yeah. Yeah, it was
Pretty
that. I
wild.
mean, that's what it was there.
Yeah.
I just found it just like that.
Yeah, and these metal parts are like heavy. This thing is heavy.
Yeah.
Whatever it was. I don't know if that's from the car or from something else, but
You know, probably
Heavy.
with the truck.
wow.
Heavy-duty truck parts.
Wildscape. And let's turn it. Like you can see a label on this side, but I don't know. It's on. Oh, it's pretty good. 76 or yeah,
Yeah.
an old 76.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
right down there. That's pretty wild.
That really is.
Put it back so it stays preserved.
Yeah.
Old,
This is like a sign or something.
an old sign, huh?
That's an old sign.
Wow.
Yes. Oh, wait. It went this way. O-L-U-R or C-L-U chlor
I don't know, but it's an old sign, all right.
U
E-L-U-R chlor or C or O-L-U. What's this letter though?
I thought it was
E?
R.
I don't know. It doesn't sort of.
Well, because of this and look like a maybe B. C-L, maybe that's
Club.
a B.
That's a club.
Club, yeah.
It was a club.
C-L-U-B. Yeah.
Holy moly! So they had a
That's
club
it.
right here by the hangar.
Yeah.
Well, who knows exactly where, but
Wow. It's the what? But what was the name of the club?
something club. That, okay, so well here this was sideways. So the name of the club was up here,
Yeah.
and it's in cursive. But heck,
Something fancy.
C or O
Hold on.
A R T
D-A.
Dart Club. Dart Club. No.
D-A.
Darters Club or
A-U-M-E.
pretty wild though. Yeah. Electricity rolling in, at least the electricity lines. I mean, they look relatively good. Now, I wouldn't go near that dang thing. Well, here's your water right here, Pat.
Oh yeah.
Anyway, and live wires right there. I mean, geez, I can't be live otherwise. No, it would be I mean, look at this old boot hanging from the.
I know, huh? Isn't that something, right?
It is.
That's kind of amazing.
Let me get a picture. Yeah, someone left their boot behind.
But see how David Mine looked
Out here.
There's all these pill bottles and shit.
Oh yeah, I'm sure someone definitely been living here. You know, get out of the elements. You could hang here for sure. And I'll tell you one thing for sure. Someone's been shooting in here.
Oh yeah.
Shotgun shell.
Yeah. Oh, there you go, Vato and
Weight room. I was curious what's over. Well, we already went over there, kind of. Yeah. Okay, we seen it.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
We're actively working over there.
Yeah, we're gonna head over there, and then we're gonna head on over.
Right now, as we video, right next to the modern white thing, the old relic next to it, they're trashing it right now.
Yeah. Well, they probably.
Ready to come down anyway. Small craft landing at the little airport here. Right over there. The aircraft coming to land over there.
What's my bro doing?
Your trunk? Okay, hold on a second.